महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदं शिरसा नमामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि. Yajurveda has two recensions, two branches, shakas. One is called Shukla, the other is Krishna. Krishna and Shukla. Black and white. Krishna Yajurveda has Taittiriya Upanishad, Kathopanishad. These two Upanishads belong to Krishna Yajurveda. Shukla Yajurveda, Ishavasya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. So they belong to Shukla Yajurveda. The Krishna Yajurveda has this prayer. Sahana bhavatu, sahanau bhunaktu, not bhunakstu, sahanau bhunaktu, sahabhijyankaravavagai, tejasvinavadhitamastu, ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shukla Yajurveda, Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Different type of chanting Shanti. Sahana bhavatu. Saha, ha, no, avatu. Sahana bhavatu. Avatu rakshatu. May the Lord bless us, protect us. Rakshatu. Both of us now, the student and the teacher together are repeating this prayer. Both of us now, teacher and the student, both. Saha, he, the Lord. Ha, indeed, verily. So, saha, ha, now, avatu. May that Lord bless us with good health and all that way protect us. Rakshatu. Same way, Saha now bhunaktu. Saha, may that Lord, her indeed, now both of us, bhunaktu. Nourishes. May that Lord nourish both of us with knowledge. First with health, the second with knowledge. Nourishes with knowledge. Bhunaktu. Then, Saha Viryam Karavavahai. Here Saha is together, may we together. Saha. Viryam Karavavahai. Viryam Samarthyam Karavavahai. Me, both of us, make efforts, Karavavahai, make efforts to gain Viryam. Viryam means Samarthyam. May I gain this for the teacher. The Samarthyam is to teach the student. It requires a lot of Samarthyam. And the student also requires Samarthyam to receive Samarthyam in the preparedness ability. The student needs the ability to grasp what is being said. Very beautiful prayer. Sakavidyam Karavavahai. Now Aditam Tejasvi Astu. So what is studied by us may it become brilliant. Let it not get rusted. Whatever you study is all becomes alive. When your mind, having received the knowledge, becomes alive to the reality of knowledge. So Tejas may it become brilliant. Means may it be assimilated to make me brilliant. May that knowledge become brilliant, free from doubt, free from vagueness. Tejasvi astu. Ma vidvishavahe. Then there will be no misunderstanding. This is, I always used to wonder why this is there. Maybe not misunderstanding, quarrel, maybe not quarrel, maybe not hate each other. Why anybody is going to quarrel with his teacher? So it's not quarrel or hatred. A teacher is a sitting duck for transference. People have transference on the teachers. Psychological transference. So in the beginning, positive transference. Indra Chandra. And afterwards, negative transference. Therefore, let there be no misunderstanding. Let there be understanding, more Ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let there be freedom from obstacles. Shanti. Shanti. 3 times Shanti. From 3 sources of obstacles. one source of obstacles over which you have no control. It's called Adidhaivikam, earthquake, tsunami, therefore tsunami. The earthquake happens to be in the ocean, it ends up in tsunami. Tsunami, any natural calamity, disaster, storm, cyclone, these are the sources over which you have no control. One Shanti for that. Then you have the sources over which you have no immediate control. Start with mosquitoes. Insects, the bugs, and bugging people. All these are Adi Bhautikam. Let there be no problem from the source. Adi Bhautika Shanti. Adi Daivika Ashanti. Then Ashanti from your own body, mind, senses. Adhyatmika Ashanti. Body, mind, senses. Eyes are not all right. Hearing is a problem. Mind doesn't stay. I chant Om. My stomach also chants Om. And therefore, so these are all Adhyatmika Ashanti. So Ashanti, relief from Ashanti is Shanti. Prayer. Om Shanti Shanti. Shanti Shanti Shanti. We'll chanting. So Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Should I say Om Shanti Shanti Shanti? That's like yoga ashram, okay? Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The Vedic vision of reality, the reality based the human goal, human aspiration, and then the way of life appropriate to achieve that human goal. So the view of life, the way of life. We have seen Karma Yoga as a way of life, helping you accomplish the view of life. Karma Yoga makes you Atmavan. There are no equivalents for these words in English. Atmavan. The one who has the Atma with him. Everybody has an Atma. Atma means your karya karana sanghata. Your body, mind, senses are in your hands. You are not in their hands. Ragadveshas should rob the freedom away. Your free will becomes yeah, yeah, yes, enslaved, inhibited free will, not free will. And therefore, that this way of life is in keeping with the vision is presented in a form that will help you gain mastery over your own likes and dislikes, ragadveshas. Therefore, we have a word Atmavan, Jitatma, Yuktaha. These are all words revealing the karma phalam, the result of karma yoga, a way of life. A way of life helps you achieve that end. It's an achievement. It's a story of success, siddhi. And the reality being what it is. The self-conscious human being has a notion about himself, herself. And the notion is that I am as good as this body, mind, senses. If that is the truth, I am limited all the way. Any which way I look at myself, I am limited and wanting. I am limited and therefore wanting. There is no way of fulfilling that if that is the truth. If the body is identified, of course I identify myself as the one who obtains in this body. Sometimes who is this body? When you say I am tall, I am short, I weigh so many pounds, I means Atma. I weigh so many pounds means Atma's weight is so many pounds. I am white, I am black. I am male, I am female. I am old. I am young. Some people don't become old. Somebody said there are 7 stages of life. There is babyhood, Then there is the babyhood, then there is a boyhood or a girlhood, childhood, babyhood, childhood, then boyhood, girlhood, then young, the youth, the young woman. Young woman, afterwards what? Other stages of life. Other stages of life is young woman, young woman, young woman, young woman. Really, it's very funny. One old man I saw must be 87, this fellow. And in America, and he said, meet my girlfriend. Then I was appalled, this 85-year-old fellow. He wants me to meet his girlfriend. That's Swami, meet my girlfriend. Then the girlfriend and another 82 comes in. So what will you say? Can you say, meet my old lady friend? And she was get lost, John. Language doesn't have it. Because they never had a concept, these kind of things will happen. Therefore they don't have a language. You have to call her a girlfriend. That's funny. So body is old, I am old, body is young, I am young. Mind is tired, I am tired, body is tired, I am tired. Body is fat, I don't talk about it. The whole self-identity. Being centered on this body-mind-sense complex enjoys, suffers a limitation because what one identifies as oneself is limited. Body is limited, hands are limited, legs are limited. Your health is limited, your longevity is limited, and your pervasiveness is limited. You are located in one place, you are not elsewhere. If you are elsewhere, you are not here. So place-wise limited, time-wise limited, health-wise limited, then knowledge-wise limited, perceptive powers-wise limited, memory-wise always limited. I remember what I don't want to remember. I don't want to remember what that fellow called me the other day. I don't want to remember, but that's what I remember. And therefore, so my memory power is limited. I start a company with my own family people, it becomes private limited. And then without my own money, with public money, I start, it's called public limited. And therefore, I am limited. Money-wise limited, power-wise limited. I am limited. Can I accept that fact? Impossible. I can't accept I am limited. And therefore I struggle to bring about some changes. Nothing works. Nothing will work. Because the limited is going to be limited. Limited cannot snowball into limitless. Into the limitless. It cannot. Like a finite number with any addition is a finite number. Cannot become infinity. And I cannot rest content without being free from a sense of limitation. One simple fact. What is limitless cannot be separate from you. It cannot be separate from you. You plus limitless, it doesn't exist. You minus limiting, your limitless minus you is not limited. It is limited. The limitless should include you. In fact, you cannot be a part of the limitless, you are the limitless. बड़ा समाचार है पूर्ण अयम आत्मा पूर्णम ब्रह्म. This self-evident I, Atma, is Purnaha, is Purnam Brahma, is limitless Brahman. It is Purna. So it's an equation. Obviously, the individual is equated to Ishvara. So,
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदं शिरसा नमामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि.